It's Thursday, April 5th, and I'm a creature from the vlog. And creatures from the vlog are on spring break. Creatures from the vlog are also kind of in a rush right now, so I'm not going to be using that ridiculous headphones. You're going to have to deal with that obnoxious noise, and I'm going to do this in one shot. Oops. Frankie, I liked seeing your arty things. I thought it was really cool. I agree with Carrie about the name of your one painting. That was pretty cool. Also loved all the nerdery in your art. I highly approve of it. Carrie, your video is nice. I enjoyed your dramatic reading. I like how you got dressed up for it. Heather, your dramatic reading was awesome as well. It was pretty cool to hear you sing in Hebrew. That's cool. Kirstani didn't post anything, so that covers everybody's videos last week. Yeah. So I don't really have any, I mean, I do have a lot of plans that I want to do on spring break, but I feel like not many of them are actually going to happen. I really want to go to the bioluminescence exhibit at the Museum of Natural History, but it seems like it's going to be really expensive because like they have a suggested donation of like $15 for students, and then I think you have to pay extra to get into certain exhibits, and I'm pretty sure the bioluminescent one is that you have to pay for, so fuck. But like I want to see jellyfish things, and I want to see fungi that glow in the dark, and I want to learn about them, so I want to go. Kirstani seemed to be interested in going, so I might be going with her and Adam on Tuesday, which is kind of a funny bunch. Today I'm hanging out with Amanda. We're making cupcakes. Unfortunately, I won't be doing the shooting challenge for a cooking challenge because Amanda doesn't want anything to do with being videotaped, so I can respect that and not videotape us making cupcakes. I also really want to go to the beach one day, just at like nighttime, make a nighttime beach trip like I like to do. I want to clean my room, which I probably will end up cleaning my room. I want to play a little bit of Dragon Age 2, or Dragon Age, which Frankie is lending me, which I'm really looking forward to. Saturday I'm going to Spring Awakening with Frankie, and I don't know of anybody else, I guess just Frankie. And I haven't seen that play at all, so even though it's like the Rutgers production of it, I'm really looking forward to it, because I don't know what to expect. What the fuck else do I want to do? There's like a lot of shit. I want to get a head start on my like schoolwork, and I want to catch up on the schoolwork that like I haven't been doing. But we'll see if that actually happens. There's other shit that I want to do, I swear. Clean my car. I really want to clean my car. My car is fucking gross, man. My father makes a mess of my car, and it makes me really sad. But I'm looking forward to spring break starting. Hopefully it will be pretty busy and I won't just be sitting here doing nothing all week. So, but we'll see. I potentially am going on a date tomorrow, but I don't think it's going to work out. We were like planning to meet up like 2 or 3 days ago and we never set a time. And I keep waiting for them to text me and say we're going to meet up. But it's Thursday and nothing, so we'll see. I mean, I still have the rest of the day ahead of us, but we shall see. Also, I'm not really going to be heartbroken if it doesn't work out, so oops. This morning was pretty shitty for me. I carry 2 like headphones with me into the city because I really fucking hate it when one of your headphones dies, like when you have a pair of like you put on your headphones and like you can only hear something through your right ear and your left ear there's like just silence. That like really drives me crazy. So my mother bought me 2 headphones for Christmas and I put both of them in my backpack. One of them still in the casing but just like cut open so that we can get to them. And so this morning on the train one of the earbuds dies in the one pair, so I thought, ha! Fuck you, you know, I can still listen to my music in both ears. I have another pair of headphones. So I put that pair of headphones in, and I sit down, and I put my iPod in my hoodie pocket, and then the woman that was sitting next to me was like moving her bag, so just like out of respect for her and her possession, I like scooted over a little bit, and when I scooted over, the like connector to the iPod like was jetting out of my hood, and it like fucking snapped basically against like the railing of the seat, and I was really sad. Yeah. And then I found out that my father had wasted money giving me money for an emergency Metro card, because like it's just for if I'm in a rush or if I'm late and like I'm supposed to be, you know, that's like the day that I have to put more money on my regular Metro card. Metro cards expire. So the card that I went to go use this morning expired. So, I mean, obviously I got in and out of the city, but I finished my weight training class today. That was exciting. The final was pretty easy. The final, which was 33 questions, multiple choice. Yeah, so I'll be getting out earlier on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but maybe not, because I'm thinking of going and getting the slip to be able to work out in the gym, and so the time that I would be working out in the gym because of that class, I might just be working out by myself. So we'll see. I'm looking forward to it. I don't really have anything else to say, so bye.